Hello and welcome to this proud CEI initiative. Next are the Zayed University Applied Workshops. Okay, so what's the purpose of these Zayed University Applied Workshops? Well, if we believe in the intentional design, we need to do it within a Zayed University context and based on those QM standards. These workshops are going to have a very purposeful development and application of QM high quality standards and the best practice. And this is encapsulated within the workshop, and you're going to be contextualizing this for the teaching and learning at Zayed University. The purpose is also to model experiences to you as a faculty member so that you may draw upon these when designing your own course. And of course, within the applied workshops, we try to make sure that everything is applied, and so that all the deliverables and learning activities are applied and that support skill development within your courses. What's the need for this? Well, we need to contextualize knowledge and skills for our Zayed University blended and online courses. It's good to do a QM course, or it's good to do another professional development course of another online or blended type thing. However, we need to contextualize it, and all CEI facilitators of these workshops will help you to do that. We're going to design with the QM standards in mind and convert that theory into practice. It's very practical and hands-on in these workshops. As mentioned, learn from model exemplars is a need. We're going to show you some ideas. You may draw upon these from time to time. We hope to empower Zayed University faculty to be able to use these knowledge and skills in their own course design and development for the blended and online learning. And hopefully, ongoing, we'll be tailoring the program to emerging and shifting Zayed University needs. This program isn't developed and set in stone. It can be developed and tailored over time. So who's our audience for this one? It could be anyone. However, you may think of, if you're in the area of course design, course review, of course, instructors facilitating, you're going to get a lot out of these Zayed University Applied Workshops. So what are they? Well, they're flexible and short week-long workshops. Okay, it's going to be roughly 3 to 5 hours of work, depending on how long you take or how much time you put into the workshop. There's 6 specializations under which we'll have workshops. Some of the workshops may cross over one or more specialization. And so these specializations are instructional design, teaching and facilitation, assessment, environments, quality assurance, and educational technology. So for example, if you are only interested in assessment-related Zayed University Applied Workshops, you can only take the assessment specializations workshops, and that's fine. You can tailor your attendance and participation in these workshops according to your needs and desires and interests in the workshops themselves. If you need any more BOTIP information, of course, log on to our CEI website, or you could email myself at the email address listed on this video. As BOTIP coordinator, I'd be happy to talk to you further. I'm also the Quality Matters coordinator for Zayed University, so I'd be happy to talk about Quality Matters, Zayed University Applied Workshops, or BOTIP in general. Thanks for watching this BOTIP general information video. Have a great day.